Anyone who knows me knows that I will always choose an adventure when given the opportunity. Ziplining through the rainforest canopy of Boquete, Panama certainly fits the bill. What makes it all the better is that I get to do this with a group of friends. But first, a little bit of backstory. We had arrived in Panama nearly a week earlier in order to serve on a mission trip with our church. The work was rewarding, but it was time for us to go home, so we decided to make one more stop on the way out. I'll include a link to that video right here. Our tour was with Boquete Tree Trek, and they were professional with great equipment, great guides, and they made sure that we were safe the entire time. After getting geared up, we made our way to a quick safety demonstration, and then we got into a truck that took us up to the top of the hill where we were going to begin our zipline journey.
Stop it, Nick!
Oh yeah!
I'm not crying, just a minute.
And before we knew it, we were stepping off of platform 1 and zipping through the high mountain mist into the treetops, and our adventure had begun. Of the entire mission team, only about half of us chose to go ziplining. Everyone else had other options, including a nature trail that took them along paths and bridges up the hillside, and they had a great time as well. Their photos were amazing. It was really great to connect with them at the end and compare our notes.
Ziplining in the Panamanian rainforest. Did you guys make it?
Yeah!
What'd you think of that gully? The rivers, the bridges.
When the heavens and earth meet.
Oh, that was beautiful.
So nice. It's happening!
Bye.
Bye!
Say something for the video.
Oh.
That's not a word.
Thank you for taking care of us, Tree.
Well done, man.
I would love to see a monkey in the wild. Just like
A natural one.
Yeah. I don't like those robot ones. they creep me out. 2, go. Hey!
Go do it! Ah!
Hey,
And the members of the team that didn't go ziplining and didn't go on the nature trail, they chose to stay at the coffee shop and cheer us on from the ground. It was so awesome seeing them down there from up on the zipline.
Hey! Heather, it's falling apart!
Stop it!
Oh yeah, it broke. They gotta take you off.
Stop it.
Whatever you do, don't go down the line this time.
Relax.
I am. I'm totally relaxed.
Exactly.
Inner
Adios.
peace. He's enjoying it. Oh. Enjoy.
And after 12 zip lines, crossing the river 8 times, and working our way down the valley, we ended right where we began, at the gear shop just below the coffee house.
All right, thank you.